they didn't tell me that they made any changes, but there appears to now be a clear coat added on top of that black conductive coating. So I'm going to do some videos showing each different type of adapter, how to make it conductive enough that it won't be a problem. All right, we're looking at how to fix the problem of the conductivity on these adapters. Now this one's a little trickier because you've got the SMA male on this side and a BNC male on that side, and SMA male on this side. Now you can see this one's actually already not terrible. A lot of them aren't, especially on places where there's any kind of a ridge. Honestly, there's a good chance that if you just scrape this, it's going to be good enough, especially if you take something, you just find a female thread, just screw it in and out, kind of go back and forth a few times. That's going to do a real good job of cutting through that clear coating. But if you want to be absolutely sure, and see if you can see in there now, you've actually already got, you can see the silver there, it's already done a pretty good job. But you can just take a little tiny piece of sandpaper, kind of fold it in half, stick it in there, and do the hokey pokey and turn it all around. And that is what it's all about, as they say. Similarly here, just stick this sandpaper into this gap and just rotate it. And it's not going to take all that much, honestly. It really isn't. And especially, one of the reasons that it took me so long to realize this was happening is because a lot of the time, a lot of them aren't that bad. It's just that they're a little worse than they should be. And if you want, you can do a little bit in there. But really, it doesn't need a lot because nothing out here actually needs to make any contact with anything. And so from that perspective, having all of this non-conductive can actually be a good thing because that coating will keep it from wearing out as fast. Now, if you want, you could do something with this. Looks like we already did a little bit of testing on this particular adapter. So maybe I should have used a different one as an example, but I didn't. So I think that that's still good enough demonstration. It's not going to be a big deal. But you can see it's real easy, especially after that, to get that contact. So that should be good. So again, that is the SMA male to BNC male, but the SMA male to BNC female would be basically the same. Any SMA male is going to be the same there. Any SMA male is going to be the same there. Any BNC male is going to be the same there, regardless of what you call it and whether you keep mixing them up like I do.